Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'll be showing you iOS 7. Apple just released this to developers yesterday, and I installed it on my iPhone to show you iOS 7. Let's go ahead and slide to unlock. So you enter your passcode, and you noticed, let me go back to the lock screen here. If I move my device in the camera, I don't think is picking it up. But the background is actually moving. Like, as I'm tilting it forward and back, it's actually moving. Kind of creating like a parallax. So, instead of having to go down to the bottom and slide to unlock, you slide and enter your passcode just like you always would. But you saw it was those little circles. So this is iOS 7. Okay, so as you can see, the icons look completely different. It's a lot flatter, a lot cleaner. Am I a fan of all the icons? No, there are a couple that I do not like. Photos and Game Center, they look too similar. If you ask me, too similar. Weather, it looks the same, just in a flat design. So, personally, some icons are good, some aren't. Okay, so feature number 1 is the Notification Center. Now, you can see when I pulled down Notification Center, it has this kind of translucency to the Notification Center. Everything's got this transparent, and it's consistent throughout the entire operating system. So very, very nice user experience change. New feature, swipe up from the bottom, you have the control center. So now I can adjust my brightness right here. Volume is right there. Playback controls, AirPlay. If you had an iPhone 5, you would also have Airport Express, or whatever it's called. AirDrop, that's what it's called. You got a flashlight, control. You've got the compass, or the stopwatch, the calculator, and the camera. Camera has had some upgrades. Just a lot cleaner look. Now instead of a little toggle, you now have a little switch. They have a square photo mode. Maybe taking some inspiration from Instagram and the square photo thing. I don't know, but there is a square photo mode. And you have Pano, which is panoramic, and video. All of them have been updated. Calendar looks very clean. No more leather. No more making it look like a day planner. It now looks very modern, very simple. It's kind of the theme here with iOS 7. It's cleaner. It's simpler. Okay, another new feature that they have added. I showed you notification. I showed you control. Music has had some updates. I'm not going to play anything. Okay, so let's say I was playing this song. I can't play it. But if I were playing this, and let's say I wanted to make a station, I can hit create, Genius Playlist, but say I want a radio station. I can go to radio, click listen. So this is kind of like a Pandora killer right here. So you see you had a radio there. I can't play for copyright. Another new feature is automatic updates. So the little notification that says you have app updates, gone. You will never see it again in iOS 7. Everything updates in the background, so you don't have to worry about it. I actually got a notification this morning saying 2 of my apps had been updated automatically. I didn't have to do anything. It did it while I was in bed at some point in the night. Thank you. Been waiting for that feature for a while now. FaceTime, they did add an app for it. It is no longer tied to the phone application. So overall, it's a brand new look. That's the big thing with iOS 7. It's all about the look, the feel. Safari got some updates. You now have native tab browsing. So if I click plus and I go to Safari's been updated. Everything has just had this update, this refresh look. which I really do appreciate about iOS 7. So this was just a quick little first look video. Expect tons more videos. I'm going to go way more in depth in future videos. Stay tuned to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!